Hello class 8, this is teacher Regina and today's topic is about percentages. Let us start now. So first, let us have the percentage equivalent. As you see on this table, there is a fraction, decimal, and percentage. So fraction as decimal and as percentage. These are the basic percentage equivalent. So we can say that a 50% is equal to 1 half, or in decimal, it is 0.5. Then 1/4 in decimal is 0.25. Then the equivalent to percentage is 25%. Next, we have also the 3/4, which is in decimal is 0.75. And the equivalent to percentage is 75%. Now, here are the basic percentage equivalent that is easy to remember. Now, let us know how to change the fraction into decimal, or let us say the decimal into percentage. So first one, let us discuss the percentage as fraction. So we have 13%. How we are going to change the percentage as fraction? Okay, so here what we will do first, okay, so what we are going to do, we all know that a percent is 100. So the denominator will be 100. Next, now this we cannot simplify. It is already in simplest form. So that is the answer. So 13% is equal to 13 over 100 in fraction. Let us have another one. So 28%. Okay, to change it into fraction, so again, the denominator is 100, then 28 here. Okay, so in this part, we can simplify this fraction by getting the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor of 28 and 100, which is 4? So what we are going to do is to divide it both numerator and denominator. So we have 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. And 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So it means 28% is equal to 7 over 25. Let us have another one. 140%. So if like this, we have the 140 over 100. Since denominator is greater than numerator, so we can change it into mixed number first. So how many? 100 or 100 divided by 140 is 1. And then numerator will be 40. What is left? And then 100. So again, 40 and 100 is not in simplest form. So what you are going to do is to change it into simplest form. So still it is, okay, so divide it by 20, the greatest common factor, so the one still here. So 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2. And 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. So the answer means that 140% is equal to 1 and 2 over 5. Let us have the next one. So the next one is fraction as percentage. So if we have a fraction, what we need to do first is to change it into decimal before you change it into percentage. So this one, 14 over 100, it is 0.40. Okay. To change it into percentage, what we need to do is move the decimal going to the right 2 times 1, 2. So it means 14 over 100 is equal to 14%. Next is 29 over 1000. So if we are going to change the 29 over 1000, as we see, we have 30. It means we will have 3 decimal. So 0.029. To change it again to percentage, we just moving, or we can say that we can do it as, okay, we can do this another method. Just multiply it by 100 and you will get the answer. Okay, so it will be 2.9%. Next is 3 over 10. So here, 3 over 10, we all know that is 0.3. Okay, in decimal. So again, multiply it by 100, or just movement of decimal going to the right 2 times. You will get at 30, means that is 30%. So 14 over 100 is equal to 14%. 29 over 1000 is equal to 2.9%. And 3 over 10 is equal to 30%. Next, we have percentage to a decimal. So this one, just movement also, or movement also of decimal. Okay, so we move, we don't see any decimal, means here, movement of 2 going to the left. So it will be 0.69. Very easy. Next one is 350%. The same thing that you need to do. Movement of decimal 1 and 2. It means that is 3.5. Okay. Next one is 123%. Again, movement of decimal 1, 2 is equal to 1.23 in decimal. Again, 69% is equal to 0.69. Okay. Then 350% is equal to 3.5. 123% is equal to 1.23 in decimal. Next one, we have the decimals to a percentage. Okay, so here, this opposite of percentage to decimal, the percentage to decimal, we move the decimal going to the left, but here, if we want to change decimal to a percentage, just move the decimal going to the right 2 times. Okay, so as you see, 1, 2, so 0.03, it means that will be 3%. Okay, next given is 0.44. Again, move it 2 times going to the right, so 1, 2, it will be 44%. Next is 0.675. Okay, just move it up decimal 2 times, 1, 2, it means that 67.5%. That's all for today. I hope everyone understand our lesson. Thank you for listening. Keep up the good work.